Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this super affordable burlap Thanksgiving wreath. If you are new to my channel and like to be a part of the KK family, just hit that notification and subscribe button so you don't miss a video. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so you don't want to miss that. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is we're going to take our burlap and we are going to fold it in half, and we are just going to place it on this twist tie. As you can see, this wreath has two rings on it. It has an inside ring and it has an outside ring. I do recommend you get the one with 4 rings, and I'm going to insert a clip here. Okay, so what we are going to do is we're going to take our burlap and we are just going to start from that inside ring, and then we're going to go over it and pull it through and wrap it around our outside ring, and then pull it through again and wrap it around the inside ring, pull it around and through, and just continue that process until you go all the way around the wreath. So as you see here, I'm wrapping it around. And then we're going to tuck it inside, pull it through. And then wrap it around the outside ring, go around the back, pull it through, and just continue the process. So normally these type of wreaths can cost you between $40 to $60, and I'm going to insert a clip here. So you saw the price of that wreath, and it's basically the same wreath that we are doing today, and the total cost of this wreath was $10. The burlap that you see here I got from Dollar Tree. Also the orange tool was from Dollar Tree as well, and the wreath was from Walmart, and I think it was $2. So as you're going in and out, you're going to fluff them out and push them together, and just continue to go around the entire wreath. Don't worry about the green and all the holes that you see. We will fix that once we are done with this process. Okay, so now that we are done with that, you remember we had folded in half, so now you are just going to take those two pieces and basically pull them apart and bunch them up, and that's going to cover up most of our holes. So as you can see here, just taking them, basically those two pieces, and pulling them apart. Okay, so now we're going to take this tool that I got from Dollar Tree. It is super thin, so I recommend that you get 2 of them just to make it a little thicker in consistency to work with. And we are just going to take the 2 and twist them together. And once we twist it together, we are just going to stick it into that hole that you can see right there. And then we are going to take them and twist them together to make the tool a little thicker and not so thin and see-through. And once we twist them together, I am just basically gonna stick it in between each hole to cover up all the green. So that's all we are doing, is everywhere that you see a hole and everywhere that you see green, you want to stick that yellowish orange tool in. And to make sure that it's extra secure, you can also like hot glue it in there, but I didn't do that in this video. And you just want to continue that all the way around the wreath. I tried to keep the tool kind of like in a straight line. I didn't want it to go all over the place. So as you can see, there's still like holes after I'm putting the tool in there as well that I did not cover up. So what you want to do with that is just take your burlap and just move it around to cover up that green. And you can also just like hot glue the burlap to not show the green as well if you would like. Making wreaths, it's all about playing with it. So you just want to just play with it until you get it the way you like it. Okay, so now we're just going to take this bow. As you can see, there's a hole right there where the yellow tool did not make it all the way through. So now I'm just going to take this bow and this old orange tool that I had previously and stick it in between to kind of like give it also some contrast color. And if you want to know how I made this bow, I'm going to insert a clip at this top corner here so you can check out how to make a bow. So as you can see, I'm just trying to like cover up where that yellow tool didn't make it all the way through, and also I guess to give a little contrast and a little something different to the wreath. Now just add any type of decor that you would like. I think Dollar Tree has some beautiful little fake flowers this time of year, and you are done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember, please give it a huge thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video.